Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your BMO bank account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can log into your bank account as well. First of all, just open up your Google browser and then go into your search bar and just type for BMO login and hit on enter. After you do so, many results will now be on your screen. Just click on the first link that pops up, and this will take you to the official website of BMO Bank. And here you can see, as it loads up on your screen, you can see a sign in button on the top right corner of your screen. Just tap on sign in. And after you do so, this small pop-up will be on your screen. You can just select sign in to online banking again. And after you do so, now you'll be taken into a different page, where now you need to input your card number and password to log into your bank account. Here, just input your 16-digit card number and password. And if you are using your private computer, you can tick this remember card box for easier access next time. But I would not recommend you doing so if you are using a public computer. And in case you forgot your password as well, you can use this button, forgot your password, to help you reset and retrieve it. And after inputting your card number and password as well, just tap on sign in and then you'll be signed in into your bank account. And that's how you can sign in into your BMO bank account. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.